Hello everyone. I will guide you through the process of scanning your academic data. Please create an account on Wyseer.com. I will skip the sign up part. Once you logged in, please select your institute. The dashboard might look empty. That because you have not scanned any data. So if you click here, you will find the extension link. So please click on here. Add it to the Chrome. Now log in your RDS. And go to grade history page. Open Wyseer extension. Select your institute. For BBA department, there are multiple major options also available. For example, if I select BBA major in economics, you can see here there is multiple option also. This is optional. Click on scan data. Your data is updated. So let's go to Wyseer homepage and reload the page. Now you will see all your academic data scanned and ready to explore.